Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send USDT from your SafePal wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers without wild price swings. Whether you're sending to a friend, paying for something online, or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. First things first, make sure you have the SafePal app installed on your phone or device. If it's not up to date, head to your app store and grab the latest version for 2025. It's packed with new security features. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your wallet. You'll see your dashboard with all your assets listed. Look for USDT in your portfolio. If it's not there, you might need to add it first. Now, tap on USDT to select it, then hit the Send button. This is where you enter the recipient's address. Double-check this. Crypto addresses are long and unforgiving, so copy-paste if you can to avoid typos. Next, input the amount of USDT you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. SafePal will show you a summary of the transaction. Review it carefully, then confirm with your PIN or biometric verification. Once sent, you'll get a confirmation notification, and you can track the transaction on the blockchain. And just like that, you're done. Always prioritize security. Use a hardware wallet if possible and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.